Have you ever watched those unboxing, those review videos, and they're like, hey, look how great and shiny this is. This is really awesome. And then maybe you see it once or twice or however long they agreed to show it for. And then you never see it again. Guilty. I'm guilty too. But we're going to fix that. I'm going to go through our past 5 review videos, and I'm going to give you a bit of an update on how they're all doing. Starting with the Vevor pop-up tent. Just got it. Haven't used it. No idea. TBD. Next up, buddy heater. Haven't used it much. Thought I was going to use it a ton out in Newfoundland. Never got the chance to. It was too windy and too rainy, and I didn't have a tent. And even if I had a tent, like the Vevor that I have now, there's no way I would have been able to use it because it was just way too windy. The tent would have gone off into the ocean. Glad I bought it on sale. Next up, the portal folding table. Now, when we initially did the unboxing, it got a lot of scratches on the top of the table part, and I expected that was going to be the biggest issue. Turns out it was actually the legs. They seemed to be getting jammed up or gummed up, likely from dirt in the legs. And so you have to be kind of finicky when you flick the legs for them to open and close. I don't know if that's a design flaw or a quality issue. Will I throw it out? No. Will I keep using it? Unless I find something better. Would I buy it again? Maybe if it was on sale or if it was a good price. Next up, the Blackstone Adventure Ready Grill. I love this thing. I would hands down buy it over and over and over again. I love the fact that I have a 14-inch griddle surface, so I don't need to worry about a fry pan. There's nothing worse when you get a fry pan and everything's like gummed in there. You have to I can move stuff and I can boil my water for my coffee because we all know. We all know. Hello. Now, I know a lot of people online said they had issues with the handle breaking off. I haven't had even a hint of that issue. So I don't know if maybe it was a bad plastic batch. I don't know if maybe they're just rougher on it than I am. Not sure, but it's something that I keep my eye on and I haven't had a problem. If you're going to get it, I would recommend getting the adapter so that you can use a larger tank than the 1-pounders. Such a great thing. You don't have to worry about your propane running out. And it's better for the environment. You just go take it, fill it up, and Bob's your uncle. The only issue that I've had with the Blackstone, again, it's a 14-inch Adventure Ready grill, is that it doesn't always want to ignite. So you have to like click, 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 click. And then me going, oh, wait, the propane's still going. Ugh. So then I'll turn off the tank, let it sit for a second, give it a stern talking to. And then for some reason, I don't know why, but the next time I'll turn it back on and propane going and like 2 clicks and it's on. So I don't know. Maybe it just wants to give me grief. Join the club. Before we get to the last one, there's a few other items that we haven't done any official reviews on, but are highly recommended. First, our Biothane dog long lines. These are incredible. Now, I wouldn't use them for King because he's strong. He's very strong. But these are great for the littles. Like I got the first 2 I got for Lily and Leo, and amazing. Now, the older ones have these lobster clips. Not as big a fan of. The newer ones, so that's a 10-foot. We can get them in 30-foot. Have the, oh wait, wrong beaner. That's mine. Have these locking. These are great. This one's Lily's 30-footer. And again, it's from a company called Tiny Horse. It's Toronto-based. So it's great. It doesn't get dirty, doesn't absorb water. They can swim. It rubs off no problem, no burrs. Love it. Absolutely love them. Next is our Kuma Bear Buddy chair. It's like a folding love seat. It is a little pricey and it is kind of big and awkward, but I've had it since 2023 for sure. I may have gotten it in 2022 and it still looks brand new. It's in great shape. The dogs love it. We can all sit and cuddle. Sometimes they even let me sit on it, which is really nice. And I love it so much, and it's so sturdy. It's such great shape that I even bought a smaller, they have a dog one. so that King can have a bed for him, because it's, you know, he's getting to be an older fella and it's harder for him to get, you know, on and off the bigger one. It makes me a little sad, but now he's comfy. And last, a slime tire inflator. I'm not really sure where they got the name for it. It's like a whole brand, slime. It's relatively inexpensive. I think I picked mine up for like $20 at Walmart, and it plugs into your, I was about to say your cigarette plug, but I certainly just dated myself. Plugs into your 12 volt and then, you know, charges that way. It's small, it's compact, it lives in my car all the time. I've used it camping. I used it when we had a flat in Georgia. I used it when I got a screw in my tire in bear country in BC. I don't think I ever published that video, but that was my very first tire patch. And it's just great. Like, you know, it lives in my tire kit permanently. Highly recommend it. If you have nothing else as far as like tire gear, have that. Even just for slow leaks, it's great. Last but not least, Bluetti EB3A. Now, it was gifted to me by Bluetti along with a set of solar panels for the purposes of a review. Having said that, I would happily buy one, full stop. I recommend it to all my friends who are looking for one. It comes in the car with me on every trip, even short trips, because that way I don't have to worry about plugging, you know, juggling the plugs in my car. And I mean, like, it's not large. This is like car battery size, right? So if you have the space for a car battery, you can throw that in there and keep all your devices charged, because heaven forbid we not be fully connected at all times. So I would happily recommend getting that. Have you had different experiences with these items where you like, oh, I would never touch them again? Throw it down in the comments below. If you have any other things that you want reviewed, let me know. I'm always up to spend money. Like, let's put it that way. And if I can't spend it on the dogs, it's usually on the dogs. I mean, look at me. I don't look like I spend a lot of money on myself. So if there's a new item of gear, oh, please. Heaven to Betsy, let me go and buy it. And I'll let everyone know how how effective it is. Thanks for hanging out with me. Really appreciate it. It's good to be back in the kitchen with the camera. The puppy's outside. She's just like, I don't know what's going on. She's running around like a nut job. I think she's mad at me because she wants to go for a walk. King was mad at me. I had to give him a chicken foot. It's dried chicken feet. They love them. But that's how I could get him to be quiet until he decided he needed to drink a few liters of water. 4 liters in a gallon, in case you're wondering. So let me know what else you want to know. Comments below, and we'll see you out there. Safe travels.